The Indian team is here and they are ready for the big match, India versus Pakistan. You can see the players coming out. Hardik Pandya on your screens. There's Gautam Gambhir, Shivam Dubey who have come in here, who are asking for their signatures to be done, pictures to be clicked. But of course, the players walking right in as far as this match is concerned. You can see Sanju Samson right there walking in for the first practice session ahead of the India versus Pakistan match. T. Dilip, the fielding coach, is here. The other players also walking in here at the ICC Academy. Tilak Verma here, and constantly you can hear them asking for the cricketers to come here. Shubman Gill right there at the ICC Academy, and he seems to be coming here to sign the autographs and to oblige a few of the fans as well over here. So obviously he's gonna obliging the fans here, and he is making their day. All the smiles on these kids' faces as Shubman Gill walks into the ICC Academy to sign some bats and jerseys and signatures. And obviously, let's talk to these kids as well who got the signatures. Kuldeep Yadav right here, Harshit Rana in the screen on your screens right now, and let's talk to these kids right now. You have got Shubman Gill's signature. How excited are you now?
Very excited.
Abhishek Sharma seems to be coming here to sign some bats and jerseys and some signatures here, and he's right in the frame here, signing right across as his picture on the bats, on the notepads, on some small bats as well. And this is always the highlight for these kids who wait at the ICC Academy in this heat to get their bats signed by their favorite cricketers. And Abhishek Sharma, of course, obliging all of them right here. He's also taking some pictures here, and he is Jasprit Bumrah right in our screens right here, and obviously a lot of screens for Jasprit Bumrah as well. Surya Kumar Yadav is also here, and he is coming towards the fans right now and he is waving to the camera as well. And I don't know if he has a message for the camera right in his face at this point, but he is signing these notepads, he is signing these miniature bats as well. And this is going to be the big first practice ahead of the India versus Pakistan match, and it'll be interesting to see what the captain has to say as per this match. And he is right here signing more bats, making the kids happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And also having a conversation with the kids with requests of hitting a century as well. So obviously a lot of fans here gathered for the Mumbai Indians jersey also right here in support of Surya Kumar Yadav. It's a big match, India versus Pakistan, and we are at the ICC Academy where India is training for the duration of the Asia Cup. And as always, Indian fans make their presence felt wherever they are. Here are kids who are wanting to get autographs, wanting to get signatures as well. They have their bats and jerseys and their posters ready. It says, please sign here, Team India Asia Cup 2025. The bats are ready. The notepads are ready. Mumbai Indians t-shirt is there. So I'm assuming you're a Surya fan?
Yeah.
And what is your message for the Indian team that is going to be here?
Good luck. Hope you win. It's a dream for everyone.
And any specific message given that the match is against Pakistan?
Just go out there, give it the 100% and win the game and win the tournament.
And you seem to be old enough to answer a rather complicated question where, people are talking about this match shouldn't happen. There should be a boycott of this match. Where do you stand on this as an Indian cricket fan?
I think, in my opinion, I don't think they relate. It's two different topics, and I don't think it matters, cricket and politics.
So you're going to be watching the India versus Pakistan match?
Yeah. At the TV, on home.
And any specific message for any player, because the team, of course, is going to be coming from here. You guys are going to be yelling and screaming. What is it that you want to say to any specific player?
Hardik. Nothing as such. I just loved Hardik.
Who are you waiting for?
Hardik Pandya, Surya Kumar, and Jasprit Bumrah. And I
all
love
the
Hardik.
Mumbai Indians gang.
Yeah, and I love the head.
It is Team India at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And does anybody else have a special message here for?
So Bumrah, I'm
been coming for a very long time just to meet you. Hope you sign for me, please.